If you're planning anything for the Easter weekend across Ontario, you're going to want to pay very close attention to the forecast, because the weather is about to take you on a bit of a roller coaster. We're talking spring warmth, rounds of rain, possible thunderstorms, and rapidly changing conditions all the way from Thursday through the weekend. Let's start with Thursday, because that's when everything begins to shift. A warm front will start lifting northward across the province early in the day, and that's going to trigger showers beginning in southwestern Ontario during the morning hours. Cities like Windsor and London will be the first to see the rain move in. As we head into the afternoon, those showers will spread eastward, reaching the Greater Toronto Area, Niagara region, and parts of south-central Ontario. This won't be a steady, all-day rainfall for everyone, but rather intermittent showers moving through in waves. Now, in some of the higher elevations, there is a slight chance that precipitation could start off as a brief mix, possibly even a touch of icy precipitation. But temperatures will rise quickly, and everything will transition over to plain rain. Through the afternoon and into the evening, temperatures will continue to climb into the mid to upper teens, making it feel much more like spring. In fact, temperatures may continue rising overnight, which is a clear sign that warmer air is firmly moving in. But with that warmer air comes instability. As we head into the overnight hours Thursday into early Friday, there is a chance for thunderstorms to develop, especially across southwestern Ontario. These won't necessarily be severe, but they could bring bursts of heavier rain, some gusty winds, and brief downpours. Now let's talk about Good Friday, because this is where things get interesting. We're looking at a very mild start to the day, with temperatures already elevated thanks to that warm air mass. By the afternoon, many areas from Windsor all the way to Ottawa could see highs reaching close to 20 degrees, which is quite warm for this time of year. There may still be some rain and possibly a few thunderstorms early in the day, especially in southern regions. But the trend through the afternoon is for that rain to gradually taper off, leading to improving conditions. So Good Friday may start off wet in some areas, but it could end on a much calmer and even pleasant note, depending on where you are. However, don't get too comfortable, because the pattern stays active. Heading into Saturday, another system approaches. This time, it's associated with a cold front, and once again, it will bring another round of rain across the province. As that cold front moves through, there is also the potential for thunderstorms to develop. With warmer air still in place ahead of the front, the atmosphere could become unstable enough to support some convective activity. That means Saturday could bring periods of rain, possibly some thunderstorms, and changing conditions throughout the day. Now stepping back and looking at the bigger picture, the reason for all this unsettled weather is a pair of Colorado lows tracking across the region. These systems are known for bringing active and sometimes unpredictable weather, and in this case, they are responsible for the back-to-back rounds of rain, temperature swings, and the chance of thunderstorms we're seeing through the Easter weekend. So what does this mean overall? Thursday brings the initial round of showers spreading from southwest to east, with a chance of thunderstorms overnight. Good Friday turns mild, with temperatures near 20 degrees and rain tapering off through the day. Then Saturday brings another round of rain and the risk of thunderstorms as a cold front moves through. It's a very dynamic setup, with conditions changing quickly from day to day and even hour to hour. If you have outdoor plans for the Easter weekend, it's not a washout, but you will need to be flexible. There will be windows of dry and mild weather, especially on Friday afternoon, but also periods of rain and possible storms to work around. Make sure to keep an eye on the forecast, especially for thunderstorm chances and timing of rainfall, because small shifts in these systems can make a big difference in what you experience. Spring is definitely trying to take hold across Ontario, but it's coming in with a lot of energy this year. Stay prepared, stay flexible, and keep checking for updates as we move through this active Easter weekend pattern.